Good morning, YouTube. Here we have the cheapest pair of snap ring pliers from Harbor Freight. I don't have the part number. I couldn't find it online. I don't even know if they have these anymore. They have far better snap ring pliers available at the store. I seen this for, I think it was around $3, $4 maybe. Try to get this to focus better on the pliers. It's never seen a design like this. I have used it. It does work. I probably wouldn't recommend it for professional use, people who have to use snap ring pliers all the time. But it did work for me doing the ball joints on the that Chevy. Here's the handle. It came in a package with 4 heads. And each head, well, you got your 90 degree, and then your 90 degree you can put on 2 different ways. You can use these holes or these holes, and essentially that turns it in from squeezing to a pushing, and that's available on each of these. That's a 90 degree, there's a 45, and we got 2 straights. Looks like one might have a, I don't know why they give you 2. Maybe because they expect them to break, I don't know. This one's not even, there it goes. Yeah, I don't know what the difference is here. But anyway, that's what they give you. You have the 90 degree or the 45 degree. Then you have the plier handles with the forks on them. You see you got, on this side you have the 2 on the top, and on this side you have 2 on the bottom. So you can use, you line up that center hole, and if you put it on this way, now you have a squeezing one. And if you flip it to use the pins on the other side, now you have an opening one. And the method they use to hold this together is this cheesy little spring thing. I guess I would go from this way if I was working on this side. You just put it down through the center. Let me see if I can capture this. Then it comes up, goes over, and locks in place. Not the most heavy-duty things, but I mean, for $3, if you don't have any snap ring pliers and you don't do a lot with them, I mean, they work. They work, and if you end up breaking the tips, you have all these other tips to break along with it. If you do it for a living, you probably wouldn't want to go with this one. Just thought I'd share this this tool with you guys. And hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching.